Hey, this video is about how to customize your ideal LifeWave X39 Patch Kit. So let me share my screen and we'll get right into this. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find out from the person you've been working with that's a LifeWave brand partner what their website address is. It's usually lifewave.com/, and then they've made up either a company name or their name. And once you put their address up in the address bar of the browser you're using, you will see their company name or their name appear in the upper left corner. So you'll know that you are working in the right space, and that once you place your kit order, that they will get credit for it and they will be officially the person that's going to support you. Okay, then you're going to go to the word join. That is what you're going to click to see all of these customizable enrollment kits. So we have the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond kits. As you can see, the higher you go, the more expensive they are. And you will also see as you scroll down that there is a quantity assigned to each type of kit. And so those kits, when it has a little asterisk after it, the number means that that is the number of regular kind of patches that you can purchase in that kit. If you're wanting to put, and most people, of course, are wanting to put our X39 and or X49 patches in these kits, it would take two of those. I'm going to call it a point or points. 2 points equate to one sleeve, which has 30 patches in a sleeve or envelope, for X39 or X49. But if we're talking about any of our other patches like Ice Wave, Eon, Energy Enhancers, Silent Nights, Carnosine, Glutathione, any of those just takes 1 point. So for example, in a bronze kit, because it's 2, you could put one sleeve of X39 in that. If you're talking about silver, there's 6 points here. You could put 2 sleeves of X39 and then put in other patches that really target maybe some other different wellness symptoms that you have. So maybe you'd want to put one sleeve of Eon and one sleeve of Ice Wave. But again, it's totally dependent on what you are interested in and want to start with. So that's one thing I wanted to explain. And then the other thing I wanted to explain is there is this enrollment starter, $25. That's actually an enrollment fee that is built into these other kits. So early on in my LifeWave journey, I had a few people come to my website and I hadn't explained this to them. They purchased this, and then on top of that, they purchased a kit. Oh, no, 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 no. Please do not do that. No need for that, because that fee is built into these kits. Okay, so just find the kit that you're interested in and then customize it as you want. And then once you, let's just do a silver kit as an example. So I'll click silver and then show you how easy this is to customize it. So it defaults to have just 3 sleeves of X39, right? 3 times 2, it takes 2 points per one of the X39s or X49s. So that would be all 6 points for the silver kit. But say I want to, like I said, maybe I'll just have 2 of those. One interesting thing that they'll show you on here is there's a bar at the bottom that right now is orange because the kit is not filled. Now, if I up that to 3, you'll see that that's great. That's exactly what can fit in that kit. So it turns to green. If I tried to add 4 to the kit, 4 X39s, it would be red. So I've got too much. It's not even going to let me hit the continue button over here to move on. So I'm going to move that down to 2, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select an ice wave, a sleeve of ice wave patches, and a sleeve of the Eon patches. And now I've 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 6. So this is green, and we know we can move on. So that is how we customize these kits. We make them, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. They're not static. We can do what we need to meet your specific needs and goals. And I just absolutely love it. And I absolutely love these patches. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more information coming every week. And also my email address is down in the description. Please feel free to email me if you want to connect and are looking for a sponsor. I would be delighted to help you. And thank you so much for watching.